Scenic World, nestled in the heart of the Blue Mountains, is already a breathtaking destination by day. But when night falls, it transforms into something truly extraordinary. As one of Australia's most iconic attractions, it offers visitors a chance to witness sweeping views of dramatic cliffs, plunging waterfalls, lush rainforests, and ancient landscapes. But during Nocturnal, Scenic World becomes an immersive wonderland of light, sound, and mystery, a surreal adventure that redefines how you experience the natural world. Step into the darkness aboard the world's steepest railway, descending into an illuminated rainforest alive with color and sound. Beneath a glowing canopy of lit trees, wander pathways that reveal the secrets of the forest, where the wood wide web, the invisible network connecting trees, comes to life in dazzling visual storytelling. Keep your eyes peeled. You might just catch a glimpse of a lyrebird basking under the soft shimmer of moonlight, as if nature itself is performing just for you. With every step, sound, and shimmer of light, Nocturnal pulls you deeper into a world where nature and technology intertwine most magically. Love discovering hidden gems, epic adventures, and the best holiday spots around Australia? Join the Holiday Hunter family. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you never miss out on our latest travel guides, secret spots, and unforgettable experiences. Let's chase sunsets, explore wonders, and make every getaway unforgettable together.